What is up, everybody? With New Year's Eve approaching, a lot of people are flooding into Las Vegas. On this Vegas news, we're going to talk about the surprising things that are happening in Vegas, and one special place is going to up the price of you coming to visit. Before finally taking that plunge, moving to Las Vegas, one of the places I always wanted to go on New Year's Eve was Las Vegas. Obviously Times Square, number one, then Las Vegas. Well, this year is going to be a little bit different. Obviously I live in Vegas now, but if you're thinking about going to Fremont Street, you're going to be caught with a huge surprise as soon as you try to enter the Fremont Street experience. If you haven't already heard, they are going to charge $25 a person to get into the Fremont Street experience. Leave a comment down below what you think of this. I think it's ludicrous if you ask me. It's crazy. I don't know what the rules are going to be if you're staying at the hotel downtown. I'm sure you can get in for free since you're staying on one of the hotels. But if you do plan on going to Fremont Street experience during New Year's Eve, expect that wallet out and to fork out the $25. If you're like me and you don't want to spend $25, you don't even get a free drink, any kind of wristband, just to enter the Fremont Street experience. I'm personally not going to do it. I suggest finding something else, maybe something outside the strip in Fremont Street. I might go to this local bar. I went and did a video there not too long ago. The first Raiders home game, sports bar, Al's Garage. I might go check that out, or hit a locals bar up close to me. And the strip, by the way, is going to be closed. So if you do plan on taking an Uber to the strip or go in that vicinity, it's going to be a while before you can get an Uber back. I know someone last year when it was closed said that it took over 2 hours to get an Uber ride home. And I think another person said they end up forking out a bunch of cash and paying for a taxi, which they will price gouge you, I'm telling you right now. So if you plan on coming to Vegas for New Year's Eve, I would try to avoid the Fremont Street experience unless you want to pay the $25 and find a place off the strip. But there is some great places off the strip that I do suggest you guys checking out. Well, that's it. I just wanted to talk about the $25 charge on the Fremont Street experience. Thank you guys for watching the videos. If you're new to the channel, hit that little red subscribe button, hit that little bell for notifications so you're notified when I make a brand new video. I do vlogs, story times, Vegas news. I got some social experiment videos coming. Also, I have a clothing company, lifecrusherapparel.com. Check that out. Sign up for the newsletter. You always get special discounts and giveaways, and we'll see you guys next time.
Can't wait till we make it. Fake it. That's the life of Jay.